Hey guys, this is Arshdeep here and this is the OnePlus 6T. This has been my daily driver for more than 2 months and the experience so far has been great. We can say that this is an incremental update for the earlier launched OnePlus 6 with some interesting hardware changes and software tweaks. It's the same glass sandwich as the 6 and most phones launched this year, and just like them it supports a near bezel-less display but with a teardrop notch, which you get used to it while using the device regularly. The screen is an optic AMOLED which they have been using earlier. It's bright and colorful with some inbuilt color profiles, and it supports a 1080 by 2340 resolution, slightly bigger than the 6. It's huge and I enjoy using it as the content you are watching on it feels more immersive. Looking around the device, you will not find any fingerprint scanner. Well, that's because it's present under the display. It's good, but not as fast as compared to those which are actually visible. But hey, it's present under the display. You put your registered fingerprint and it just brightens up the whole display in order to recognize it, which can be annoying if you are using the phone in the dark. Along with this, it also has a super fast face unlock, which works with just the front camera. Not gonna say much about it. It just works. And yes, OnePlus ditched the headphone jack, which is a little disappointing because OnePlus is the company which listened to the community. Anyways, they have done it. The tagline which OnePlus is using with this phone is unlock the speed. And they aren't joking. This is the fastest Android phone I have ever used. Well, that was supposed to be, as this has Snapdragon 845 CPU, Adreno 630 GPU, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of internal storage. It can handle any game, any task you throw at it like a champ. Well, that was on the hardware side of things. On the software side, this has been more amazing. It runs on the latest build of Oxygen OS with the latest Android version. I have to give it to OnePlus. They have developed an amazing software and they just keep on improving it. There are some minor bugs, but they can be fixed with an update. The things get more exciting when we talk about battery life, as it has huge 3700 mAh battery cell. This might not be the biggest cell present on paper, but I have been getting around 5 hours of consistent screen on time, and sometimes even 6. Plus it has dash charging which can charge the device very quickly. So I have no complaints with the battery. With all the amazing hardware and software, the end user experience has been great. The 6T comes with a 16 megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 20 megapixel secondary camera, both have a wide f1.7 aperture, and a 16 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture. The pictures that come out of this are quite good. They are detailed and saturated with good dynamic range, and also the portrait shots turn out to be quite satisfying. And I can say this for both the front and back cameras. It even has night mode to help in taking pictures at night with long shutter speed and reduced noise. With the 6T, you can record 4K video at 60 or 30 fps, 1080p at 60, 30 and 240 fps, and 720p at 480 fps with the primary back camera. The video comes out to be quite stable as it has both OIS and EIS. The picture and the video quality might not be as good as some other flagships like the Pixel 3 or the 10s, but those devices are priced much higher than the 6T. So for the price, the cameras are great. I won't complain.
The 6T starts at 38,000 Indian rupees, and I would say that this device is a great value for your money, and I can easily recommend this to anyone. You can buy this from Amazon. I will leave a direct link to it in the description box below, so if you guys are interested, you can check it out. That's enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Till next time, this is Arshdeep here, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.